In this video, I will share some tips for first-time, solo, female travelers. First and foremost, important question to be answered is it safe to travel alone? Yes, it is safe to travel alone, you just need to plan your trip well, and needs to be all geared up. Here are some of my tips to plan your trip. Number 1, start planning earlier. That means, soon the idea hits off traveling, just start planning for it. The earlier the better. As a starting point, you need to take some time out and look up on Google about the destination or country you are planning to visit. Look out for the attractions you want to visit or activities you want to do there. Break down the cities or activities per day of your travel plan. Make a list and find a starting point. What do I mean by a starting point? Is that a place or city that is most central in terms of distance to other cities or places you want to visit. This way, you can save a lot of commuting charges. If you want to travel by local transport or want to hire a car for commuting, make sure to consider this point as well when selecting your starting point. Once you have done that, try finding the means of transport to reach there. If it's a flight, try reaching to the exact city or a nearest city to it. And also, make sure to book your flight in advance, for example 3 weeks earlier or so. This way, you are likely to find some cheaper flights. Now, you need to book a place to stay. And again, choosing a central place is better in regards to distance to other places you want to visit. If you are taking a flight at night, the best idea is to book a hotel or hostel near to your airport for a night, otherwise book a taxi or transport service in advance of your arrival. It doesn't need to be an expensive choice, but you need to research a bit into the commuting options you have against the time of your arrival. And always have a backup plan. For example, if your flight gets delayed or you arrive at a time when airport information offices are closed, you should have some taxi service phone number or application on your mobile. While booking for a hotel or hostel or Airbnb, just make sure to have a brief look at review section of the place you want to stay. You need to have a flying map of the places you want to visit downloaded on your mobile. You don't need to download all of the places in advance, you can go for it day-to-day basis, assuming you get Wi-Fi at the hotel or hostel you are staying at. And last, but not the least, preparing your backpack. It's one of the important topic, and we need to have a complete video to discuss it in detail. I hope this video gave you enough confidence to begin planning your next solo trip. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button below. Do let me know in the comment section below what you liked or disliked about this video. See you in the next video about preparing your backpack.